going to see how to make Maggi in an electric kettle. So this is a new product from Preeti, and it is called as Armor Multi-Utility Kettle. So you can boil water as well as cook some dishes using this. So now we are going to see how to make a simple Maggi. So this kettle will be ideally very useful for those staying in a hostel or bachelors where you cannot have many equipments, and having a kettle like this is really advantageous as you can make many things out of this little equipment. So today we are going to see simplest of them all, just a Maggi, and I'm not going to make it like with masala, onions and all that, just a plain Maggi so that everyone can make it with minimal ingredients, that is this Maggi and water. So let us see how to make it. First you need to switch on the kettle, and you have a knob at the bottom. So you have off, low, and then you have high. So you have to keep turning the knob until you get this light over here. So once you get the light, you have to open it and you have to add all the ingredients. So it's getting heated up. So I'm going to use this one packet of Maggi. This is around the small packet which comes for around 12 rupees or something. And first I'm going to add water. I'm using 1.5 cups of water. And usually when I'm making Maggi, I add about few drops of oil so that it doesn't come out sticky. And let it boil for about a minute, and then we will add the Maggi. The water is getting hot. So first we will add the taste maker. And then we will add in the Maggi. So you can adjust the heat over here. So as you can see, sometimes it gets auto cut off. So I am going to keep it in the maximum. Okay, and then I am going to just stir it a bit. If you want, you can also break them into pieces and add, but I like mine to be whole, that's why I am adding. And you have to cover the lid. So you have to probably check every 30 seconds. While using this, just for the first few times, be near the equipment so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. And just have a look and probably give it a stir to ensure that nothing is getting stuck at the bottom. So after 1 minute, just you know that it will have become soft. Just loosen up the noodles and you can close it with the lid now again. See, the light is going on. So we will just try to cook it for about 3 minutes and see how it is turned out. So it's been a minute and it's nicely cooking. So I'm using a fork because spoon it's not comfortable. So you can see it's nicely cooking. So we will close it. So it's been 2 more minutes and it is cooking. So you can see that water droplets are being formed on the lid, so you cannot see what's happening inside. So I suggest you to frequently open up and see how it is cooking. So from the beginning, now it has nicely been cooking. Still there is some water left, so I am just giving it a stir, and probably in 2 more minutes it will be done. So we will cover it. So little bit of water is remaining. So some of them like to eat their Maggi with a little soupy kind of thing. So if for those, you can probably take it at this stage because there will be some amount of that watery sauce left. So those who want to have a proper noodles fully cooked, we will have to wait for about a minute or so. So now only a little bit of water is remaining. At this point you need not close it with a lid, and you can just leave it open like this. And now see, because the water has gone, the light is also gone, and now the device is automatically turned off. Let us keep it closed for about 1 minute before serving, so that the remaining water would have been absorbed. So now it's done. So as you can see here, even when little bit of water is remaining, it has started to burn a little bit at the bottom. So you can probably next time when you are making it, you can switch it off well in advance, like a minute before. If I had switched it off, it would have been good. So now it has perfectly cooked and it's time to serve. So see, a little bit but not much. So with maybe making it 2 to 3 times, then you will know when to stop making cooking the Maggi. Don't forget to turn it off, because see, the light is going on. So I am going to turn it off, and now it's off, and we can serve the Maggi. So I think Maggi is every hosteler's favorite food. Like it hardly takes any time to make, and it's hot and it's very satisfying. So when you can make Maggi in a hostel, there is nothing like that. So do try, and I will come up with more recipes that can be made in this kettle. I will give a link in the description box about the model and how can you purchase it.